So I'm going to use Catafric Afro Organic Freshener to revive this hair. Okay. So we are shown this is what it would look like when you've gotten out of bed and want to refresh your hair. So first things first. First thing is you want to make sure your fingers are oily. And then you put some oil to this hair like that, and so you try to fluff to the shape you're looking for in your eyes. And you know, the first conclusion that will come into your mind is, you know, when you've just woken up, the look in your hair is just like, no, I'm not going with it. So that's why we need fresheners to revive your style, to revive your hair so that it's presentable. And then you simply fluff. You could spritz some water on areas that you feel need to kind of get inside. This is what it looks like. I'm going to simply lift the roots.